Samsung Galaxy Note 10, and let me show you all the ringtones on the following device. So, at first you have to open list of all applications, go to the settings, now pick sounds and vibration, and pick ringtone. For example, Sim 1, and let's go through the beginning. So obviously you can choose the silent mode, but let's go with all the ringtones, starting with Asteroid. And that would be all. By tapping on plus you can also add some other ringtones from your albums if you want to. And obviously you can pick the most suitable ringtone for you. So that's basically all. These are all ringtones for your Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.